raspberry colors. Let's paint. Hi, kids. Today we're doing a painting of a goose. Let's have some fun. God is our creator. He lives in his kingdom up in heaven, and he wants you to know that there is no other God beside him. Genesis chapter 1, verses 20 to 25. And God said, "Let the waters bring forth abundantly the moving creature that hath life, and fowl that may fly above the earth in the open firmament of heaven." And God created great whales, and every living creature that moveth, which the waters brought forth abundantly, after their kind, and every winged fowl after his kind. And God saw that it was good. And God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful, and multiply, and fill the waters in the seas, and let fowl multiply in the earth." And the evening and the morning were the fifth day. And God said, "Let the earth bring forth the living creature after his kind, cattle, and creeping thing, and beast of the earth after his kind." And it was so. And God made the beast of the earth after his kind, and cattle after their kind, and everything that creepeth upon the earth after his kind. And God saw that it was good. A goose is a large bird that belongs to the waterfowl family, which also includes ducks and swans. Geese have long necks, big wings, and strong webbed feet that help them swim in the water. They are usually found near lakes, rivers, ponds, and wetlands. Geese come in different colors, but many have white, gray, or brown feathers. They have orange or black beaks, and their feet are often the same color as their beaks. Geese are known for their graceful, long necks and loud honking sounds. Geese are herbivores, which means they mostly eat plants. They love to munch on grass, leaves, seeds, and grains. Sometimes they'll also eat small insects or snails, but plants are their favorite food. Geese are famous for flying in a V formation when they migrate. This clever formation helps them save energy on long journeys. The goose at the front breaks the air, making it easier for the others to fly behind. They take turns leading, so that no one gets too tired. Geese live all over the world, in many different places. In the summer, they might live in cooler areas like Canada or Northern Europe. When it gets cold, they migrate or fly to warmer places for the winter. Some geese can travel thousands of miles to find a nice warm spot to spend the winter. Baby geese are called goslings. They are super cute and covered in soft, fluffy down feathers. Goslings can walk and swim shortly after they hatch. They follow their parents around closely and learn how to find food and stay safe. Geese are important for the environment because they help spread seeds when they eat plants and then travel to new places. This helps plants grow in new areas. They are also an important part of the food chain, providing food for predators like foxes and eagles.